Welcome to zakinglish.
Welcome again to my channel. Now, the first part is GHT, which they are pronounced as one single letter. T, for example, night, also night as a person, and light. Okay, now we move to the second special letter, TH. A, voiceless, TH. Voiceless, it means it's pronounced as th. Example, the verb think. Number 3, bath, month, birthday. Okay, now B, the voice TH. The voice, it means we pronounce TH as the. The first one, voiceless, th. Now, the voiced the, as the example of the. Sometimes we pronounce it the, sometimes we pronounce it the. Next, this, that, the demonstrative. Then, mother, brother. Okay, dear viewers, now let's move to the third part, which is GH. It pronounces F sound, and normally it comes at the last part of the word. For example, laugh, calf, and these are verbs. Rough, tough, and these are adjectives. And enough, which is also an adjective and sometimes is adverb. All right, dear followers, now we move to a second part, which is GH pronounce G, the sound G. And normally it becomes at the beginning of the word, and it is often for words that are derived from foreign languages. For example, ghost, ghastly, ghoul, ghetto, and spaghetti. Okay, dear viewers and listeners and followers, now we move to part 4, which is the sound of CH and SH. As in the examples, ship, shoes, she, shake, the verb shake. SH, we pronounce it sh. All right, okay, now we move to part B, the sound of CH. As in the example of child, chair, the verb choose, another verb change. So, the sound CH, we pronounce it ch. SH, we pronounce it sh. And CH, ch. Okay? All right, now we move to another group of letters. Now there are 3, TGE. We pronounce it j, j. Example, bridge, badge, edge, judge. It's pronounced j.
Now time for a song.
A, B, C, D, E,
Okay, dear viewers and followers, we reached the end of the video. To end it up, so let's go for a game. Okay, now it's a homework again. In the comments section, you write it. The answer should be in the comment section. So what is this game? Is decode the code. Decipher the code. All right, so the numbers of the letters from A to Z, there are 26, and we give it the numbers from 1 to 26 as a code, as the basic or the initial code. All right, so you give your message, a secret message with this code. Then your friend can decode it and tell you, what do you mean? What do you want to say? Okay, if anybody else gets this message, he cannot read it because he doesn't have the code. Okay, so enjoy it. Now I give you a question. So what is my full name and the real name? It is there in the last part of the video. Try to answer my name, and you can your friends in the comment section. You can give messages to other followers, to other people watching the video to answer back. Okay, here we go. Thank you for watching, for subscribing and liking all my videos. Take care of yourself till the upcoming videos.